In this video, we will look at the data collection options available to you as part of the advanced manufacturing solution. Within a production order, you are able to generate a production ticket or a job ticket or a traveler. This can be printed with or without barcodes. In this case, I will be using the barcode option to demonstrate the capability of using a mobile device to input data on the shop floor without having the need to invest in special devices. Now let's look at the mobile app where we can log in and access the scan materials options, allowing you to issue material using the job ticket which we have printed. We can scan the production order, then scan the relevant operation we are issuing materials to, and then scan the warehouse which we are operating from or issuing items from, and also the bin location if you are using such, and also finally the item. You have the ability to default to the standard consumption rates in your bill of materials, or you have the ability to enter the actual quantity issued as well. By doing this, you can avoid costly mistakes by ensuring that the correct component and quantity is issued to the production flow. We can now also capture the item's movement through multiple operations or handing it over to the next work center. In this case, we're now moving it to the next stage of the build. We can add the number of items which have been completed successfully by scanning the item on the ticket and entering the number, or you can also enter the number in bulk as well. The use of the traveler has the added benefit of that the travel or the ticket remains as a system of record with the work order instructions which can also be captured as part of the solution. Your staff on the shop floor can also use the mobile app to capture their hours spent on a certain job by using the clock entry feature. In this case, I'm using it to capture the start and end times working on a particular order and a particular operation, and also capture the number of units I have completed, if any, in this set time. We can also come back and review all the clock entries as part of the event history, which gives us an audit trail of each interaction with this order. You see, we can see the material issue and also all the approved clock entries coming from the labor transactions, which all adds up into your final total screen in terms of labor hours and material issues for you to track the actual consumption in real time.